When I'm not out here just doing product reviews, I do like to sit back and game. Saying that, this is a product review video, but it is for gaming though. So this is NUBWO. I believe that's how you pronounce it. NUBWO headset is a budget alternative or budget friendly option for gaming headsets. We're going to go through, I'm going to unbox it real quick, throw it on. I want to hear what it sounds like in some Fortnite, play a little bit of Fortnite on it. I want to see what the microphone sounds like, do some sound tests on it, raw sound test, what it sounds like in a half treated room. I do have a half treated room. It is padded in front of me, but not behind me. So I do have wall sound dampening in front. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. Once again, it is the NUBWO G06. I have the white edition on this one right here. On the back, it does show that in wireless mode, you're able to get PC, PlayStation, laptop, Bluetooth mode, you can PC, phone, tablet, switch, and wired mode, PC, phone, tablet, switch, PlayStation controller, and your Xbox controller. So through the little bitty port on your controller. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. Nice little bag. I don't know what you would need it for, but it does have a nice little bag right here, little carrying bag, I guess if you want to take it somewhere. I mean, pretty sturdy right there. And there we go right there. Cushions, they feel pretty padded. They feel pretty padded. And I got a big head too, so I got a pretty big head over here. We're gonna do a test fit. They feel pretty comfortable actually. They're really light. They're very, very light on here. Man, I hope these mics, I hope it sounds and the mic's really good on this thing because I mean, like I said, it's really comfortable. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I have the Steel Series Pro or Arctic Snowbird Pros, and I had to buy extra wicked cushions on these. And I mean, these here, I mean, as of comparison for lightness, these are probably, I wouldn't say a full half weight difference, but they are a lot lighter than the Arctic Snowbird Pros. But man, I mean, they don't even look bad. I'm looking at them, I'm trying to look over here, and I mean, they don't look that bad neither. I wear glasses. I mean, I have no problem with my glasses right now. Yeah, I like that. I like that it is conforming to my ears, and there's like, I have no gaps coming out. Not that it's not suctioning to my head, but it's knocking out my PC fans on full blast of fans right now. Is I can't hear it. I can hear a little of the muffled of my fans right now. So it's kind of hard to describe without it being on your head, but it's like it's holding in all the outside sound. I feel like I got to yell in order to talk in them. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these things hooked up so I can do a mic test and a sound test, see how they sound. Because as far as fit, and like I said just a minute ago, I mean flexibility, they flex pretty good. I don't hear them wanting to crinkle or nothing. You get the headset. I do like the white, of course. I got my white desk, got my white build. You get a little bitty package right here, and you get your USB-C cable to USB-A for charging, and then here is your communication between your controller right here. And then you get the actual dongle. So you get the USB dongle for it. A lot of people don't like the word dongle. It's a dongle, man. That's what they call it. They're called USB dongles. All right, let me go ahead and get this thing connected. Okay, so I have it hooked up right now. I am going to Sonar GG. I'm going to come in here though, and I'm going to turn off noise cancellation because it wouldn't be fair to all the PlayStation and Xbox and everything else. So go ahead and I'm going to turn off the AI background removal tool. So this is what it sounds like. So mic check, 1, 2, 3, mic check, 1, 2, 3. So this is what you're going to get for the sound quality right out the box. Mic check, 1, 2, 3, mic check, 1, 2, 3. How does it sound? What about any type of plosives on here? Peter Piper picked a pepper. Peter went down to the pond to pick up Jill to pick some peppers. Again, like I said, comfort wise, these things are like they're on point for comfort. I really do like them. I've just never heard of this brand before. Never until they reached out to me. Again, I can take off my glasses. It's not interfering with nothing. So if you wear glasses, these are glass friendly. So anyone who wears glasses, unfortunately, you know, the old age bit me. Uh, Once I hit over 40, it started biting me in the butt. and the only thing that went off was my eyesight. So everything else has been doing good for my age. But anyways, so yeah, so this is what it sounds like. And again, I am through the USB dongle right now. As far as where the headband is, the headband, the cushions on there is pretty good. I don't know if you can replace them at all, if they have replacements. We'll get to the price here in a little bit, but I mean, they are a very budget friendly, but I'm ready to actually hear what the audio sounds like. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and leave these here on as I'm doing and going through things. I went back and I listened through it. I mean, that was to me. I mean, y'all tell me. Leave it in the comment down below. That was a clean sound. I mean, I didn't have no stutters, no nothing coming through the headset. So listening to my own voice coming back through the headset would be like me listening to somebody in the game. I mean, very clear. I mean, it's really, really clear on that. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna load up some Fortnite, and we're gonna get to a battle of Fortnite. I'm a little rusty. It's been probably about 3 months since I've actually opened up a game. I've been super, super busy. I don't know, probably 2 months, but yeah, I've been super busy. I haven't been able to game at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and load up some Fortnite real quick, and I want to hear if I can hear things within Fortnite and see what it sounds like. So I have a update for Fortnite. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my other channel, and I'm going to play a song that I have on my other channel and see what it sounds like. Man, I know y'all can't hear this, but wow, it's not overbearing. It's not like it's going to break your eardrums, which is a plus. The bass is there, but it's not overpowering. It is like on point, but the sound, I am floored right now with the sound. You're gonna understand why I'm so floored with the sound once you learn what the price is. So yeah, like I said, it's been a hot minute since I've gamed right now on Fortnite. It's been a hot minute since I gamed on Call of Duty or anywhere. I didn't even do the beta of Battlefield 6 or nothing. I do want to get Battlefield, probably get Call of Duty, of course. Don't know. I'm in between that spot where I want a game, but I don't want a game. No. Alright, so there's a little bit of gameplay right there. I kind of made a little oopsie right there at the end of it. Oh well, crap happens, right? I thought I could jump over it. I guess I didn't get enough boost speed. But anyways, all in all, man, these are comfortable. I was in there for a good 20 minutes. I mean, I'm not sweating from behind the gills or nothing here. They're on my head. I can hear everything. I can hear a little bit of if something else was going on around here, the house was on fire or something. I can still hear what I need to hear there, but it's not an abundance where it's on there. But not everything is 100% perfect, right? So let's go ahead and get into the final and what I don't like about the headset. Yeah, y'all couldn't see me gaming, but man, this Fly Digi Vader 4 Pro, man, this is my favorite controller right here. I mean, I don't know if y'all seen that review on it. I did, I don't know, 8 months or so ago. Really nice. All right. So not everything is going to be 100% perfect. I don't care who you are. I don't care what company you are. The negatives that I see on this here is they could, for one, they could have put the mute button into integrated into the microphone where you lift it up and it goes. You got to fumble in the back right here for it. Here's the mute right here. Audio, man, it has plenty of audio, but the volume could go just a smidge more. But that's not a deal breaker for me at all. That microphone though, it's not a deal breaker. But man, when if you got to mute something real quick, I mean, it's just easy just to throw up the microphone. As I'm seeing right now, the foams in them doesn't look like they come out on any of these. So nothing comes apart, so you can't replace or find them. But again, though, should you be able to on a $59 headset? That's it. $59. So that right there is a major, major plus for me. I mean, the sound quality is good. I mean, it sounds amazing. There is some nice bass. I think that they're very, very bassy. Very bassy. Enough bass for me. Again, like I said, if I really do like them, I might actually grab me another pair just for outside. I might put them in my cart, my Amazon cart, and see if maybe they go on sale and get me another black pair just for me when I'm out mowing the grass or outside doing something, because I mean, they are just that comfortable on my head. They were just, I mean, awesome. They were just awesome on there. As you heard the audio from the microphone just, it was very crisp, very clean. And again, that was in a half treated room. The versatile of this headset to be able to wireless mode, the way they are right now, me running wireless, I can run a laptop, a desktop, or a PlayStation. So they disconnect, that dongle goes, they're certified for PlayStation, you plug into your PS5 and use them on your PlayStation. Bluetooth mode, you can Bluetooth your Nintendo Switch. So, or the cable mode, which is this right here, I would buy a longer one. I always say that these aren't long enough. But anyways, you plug it into this, there's a little hole right here on the back, and you're going to plug it into there and then plug this part into your controller, and there you go. You have audio directly on the controller on all platforms. So, which is really cool. Tablet, you can plug it into a tablet. Again, wired mode in a Switch or Bluetooth mode into a Switch. Having that Bluetooth feature, if Sony would quit being a butthole and allow us to disconnect any Bluetooth to their devices, things would be so much better. We would have, I would be able to use my aftershocks on my freaking PlayStation, but PlayStation stopped doing that come the PS4. So, but no, all in all, very comfortable, very, the sound's there, the mic sounds there. For a budget mic, they're bringing $100 plus microphone quality. I don't know, I think it's the Arctic 6 or Arctic 7 by Nova. I'm gonna say the sound quality to me is on par, if not better, than the 6 or 7 by SteelSeries. Now, on par with my Nova Pros here, I wouldn't go that far, but you're getting up there pretty close. If that sound was just a little bit louder, had a little bit more customization on the sound, I don't see that there's an app at all for this thing. It doesn't show that there's an app. If I do see that there is an app for this, I'll go ahead and leave it in the description down below. But yeah, no, it's on par. It is what it is. It is perfect. Christmas time is coming up. I mean, this is going to be perfecto to get your kids. And they come in multiple colors. I've seen a pink one, a white one, a black one. I think there's even another color. But either way, I'll have links to them in the description down below. They are Amazon affiliate links. If you got any insight out of this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. I am getting more and more products. I have another product over here. I'm just going to hide it like that. I have a lot of products that I like to review, and I don't like to just review one style product, just gaming products, just dash cams, or just home audio, or home this or that. Man, I like to review everything. I want to bring everything here for your hard-earned money. But anyways, I'm Thomas with Tomology. I'll catch you in the next one. Go ahead and check out this video right here. See if this is worth your hard-earned money, especially coming toward the end of 2025.